Hi, welcome to my second video. In this video, I am going to discuss about conditionals. Second one, that means I have told you already 0, first, second, and third. There are four types of conditionals. So here our second condition is first condition. Now the second is first condition. Okay, so don't get confused with this. So its format is present simple plus will or want plus verb. Don't get confused here. You see, present simple. If it rains, it rains. This area. This is present simple. P. Yes, present simple. Then will or want. Then verb. VERB. Okay. This is will or want. Helping verb will or want. This is the area of. This is the format of our first condition, right? So you see here we are predicting a likely situation in the future if the condition happens. That means this area I have told you in the beginning itself. So if you are watching my video for the first time, for their information I am saying that this area is known as condition. That means it start with if and ending with the comma. So this area is known as conditional, right? So predicting a likely situation in the future. Likely situation, that means if situation in the future, they are predicting a situation likely. So here something is mentioned. So it is going to happen when or how if the first part condition happens, it is going to happen. That means this area is going to fulfill, right? So if it rains, we will cancel the trip. If it rains, we will cancel the trip. What does it mean? If there is rain in the evening, maybe this evening we are planning a trip. If there is rain in the evening time, at the time when we are going to start the trip, we will cancel the trip. And if there is no rain, as our plan, how we planned, we will move on with our trip, right? So that means it is predicting a likely situation. If the condition is happened, then this result, or if this condition is not happened, another result will be followed, right? So if you study, you will pass the exam. There is no doubt in that. If you study, you will pass the exam, right? So here any confusion? If you study, you will pass the exam, right? So it's a clear cut one. But you will pass the examination only if this condition happens. If you did not study, it is very difficult for you to pass the examination, right? So this is a usage of first condition. So for the children, those who are preparing TSSC, I am going to give you the hint how the question is going to happen, right? Example question for your practice I am writing. It may rain in the evening. Then we will stop the match. As it is combined, we are using if or start the sentence with the if. Like that, any question will be asked, right? So here I am going to give you only if in the bracket. That means sometimes start the or write the sentence by using if, or combine the sentence by using if. Like that, any question may ask, right? So how will you write? So here, as I said earlier, you have to understand in which area you are supposed to give the if, because that is conditional. That condition, if that condition happens, its result is another. So we can understand then this kind of word shows the result. So that comes under the result part, right? So here it may rain in the evening. This is the area. So if it rain it rains in the evening, comma, if it rains in the evening, comma, we will stop the match. So don't get confused, just go through this video again, and if you have any doubt, refer the previous video, and after that once again you read this, practice 1 or 2 times, and again if you have any doubt you may revert me, you may contact me, you may drop a comment in the comment box, or I will get back to you, right? So but pause the video, note down all these matters including this and this format also. Please practice. Practice is the only way to master English grammar. So I am trying to give you the maximum possible way of explanation in a simplified way. So hope you all understood and have a great learning.